So let's solve this block. What will be the output of the following code with reason? Write error message if any. We are accessing username. Username is defined inside block using let. Let creates scope inside block, so the output will be an error, reference error, username is not defined. We are using var. Var doesn't create scope inside block, so output will be John. Here we are using const, so the error will be same as let reference error. Here we are saying num plus num2. The value of num is created using let, so the output will be reference error, num is not defined. Here we are using var, so it will not create a scope and the output will be 221. We are using let here, and this is a block of code. It will create a scope and the output here will be I is not defined. We are using var here, so the output will be 20. We are using const, so it will throw an error saying you cannot reassign the value of I. This is a block of code, so this variable will not be accessible and error will be user is not defined. We are using var here. Var doesn't create scope inside block, so output will be John. We are using const, and const also creates scope inside block. Error will be user is not defined, reference error. We are accessing the value of number inside the block itself, but one thing we are doing wrong is we are changing the value of num, means we are reassigning the value of number to 22 and it will throw an error, can't reassign. So if you want to test, we can see for exact error message. And here it will say assignment to constant, and that is type error. So the kind of error will be type error. Again, we are changing the value. This is change and assign operator. So the output will be same. It will be type error and can't reassign. We are calling the function first, and first doesn't return any value. So console, it will be undefined. Inside first, there is no return statement. Here we are calling second, so it will return 1 plus 2, that is 3, but we are not doing anything with that value, so output will be undefined. Here we are calling the function second and returning the value 1 plus 2, 1 is 1, and we are trying to access value 2, and the rule says you cannot go inside a function, and because of that it will be a reference error, 2 is not defined. Here we are calling the function second and returning the value returned from here, that is 1 plus 2. The value of 1 is 1, 2 is 2, and the output will be 3. Here we are saying return second, call second. Second is saying 1 plus 2, 1 is 100, 2 is 2. So output will be 102. Here we are saying 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 is 100, 2 is 2. 3 it will not find it, so it will bubble out to 3. So the output will be 105. Here we are saying return 1, 2, 3. 1 is 100, 2 is 2, and 3 is 300. So it will be 402. And in that way we have solved this exercise.